back to the channel. Next up, we have this extended cab slammed OBS. It's got a 6-inch drop in the front and it's in for a notch. We've got a Tricked Toys notch. So we're gonna be slapping that in for the customer. He brought it to me with no bed, so it's gonna make it that much quicker. We need to get the truck jacked up, put on jack stands, get the wheels off, get that gas tank covered, and cover the back glass. Then you know the usual routine. Then we can go ahead, slip the notches on, mark them, clean up the frame, and go to town. This is a clean little truck. I love how low it is, that's static. It's got that old school 90s vibe to it. It's gonna be pretty nice. It's a good start so far, but we're gonna make sure that rear could come down a little more. Now that we have the frame prepped, you have to get a straight edge and you have to cut the hump out of the frame. You can see the pieces right there. Now I can set the notches on, mark where I need to clean up the frame in all the few spots. I need to loosen this bar and slide that back. I'm not sure if that will fit back on. And I need to go ahead and cover a few things. But this is where we're at already. Got all the lines pulled off, tucked out of the way. The wiring harness, all the bolts holding it down, got it out of the way. We'll cover up the gas tank. And we should be ready to rock and roll soon. Friendly reminder, if you aren't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Don't forget to ring that bell. That way you get notified on new content that comes out. And speaking of which, next week, you get to see what I'm doing to the 2016. Let's just say it has to do with something in the front suspension. All right. Let's go ahead and get back on this and get this knocked out. You know I gotta step in and show these progress of these welds. Yeah. I miss doing notches. If you need notches installed, don't hesitate to hit me up. I do carry my own notches as well. If you get them installed with me, I'll give you a hefty discount on the notch. All right, so now that we have all these, oh, I didn't even show the inside. Now that we have all the inside and outsides welded up, I'll show you some more down here. Some more of them good welds. I really enjoy welding. It's really what I like to do. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut out the centers on both sides. That way we can weld them plates in. Once the plates are fully welded in, we'll go ahead and paint it up and then put everything back where it belongs. Remember, don't forget to subscribe and to ring that bell to see updates on this. If you've been watching my videos, you know what I've got planned for it and what could be happening. Video comes out next week. All welded up. All right. Let's show you some of these welds. Look at that. On it tonight. It's late, but man, I'm getting it. Good welds everywhere you turn. You want some of these dimes? Hit me up. I'm always scheduling work, always doing things. I work around everyone else's schedule, man. I really like to help everyone out. This is, I think it's 11:30 at night. Knocking it out, getting it done. Weekends, weekdays, whatever you need. I figured I'd show you before it gets painted. Once we get it painted, then I can take the cardboard down there. I'm going to try to put this brace back on. I might have to trim it a little. We'll see. Because I'd like to put that bar back. All right, let's finish this up. All done. Rear end's painted. Well, the notches are nice and painted. The brake line bracket is back where it was. That's pretty much in the factory location, but off the frame and out. Same with the wiring and the brake line. Plenty of room. Can even still go lower, still no problems. No rubbing, nothing's touching. None of that metal line is touching anywhere. The brake line, everything's clear. Nice, done, simple, quick. Was able to get that crossbar back in without any issues. Like I said, if you need any work done, hit me up. But that's gonna be it for this one. It's 12:30 at night. I'm gonna go ahead and go get cleaned up, get showered up, and get ready for tomorrow. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.